Welcome back to Shawnee Hill's workshop. Today, we're going to be working on organizing all of our outdoor power equipment. Anything that has a motor or engine that is handheld that we use around the farm. In my last few videos, I've been working on remodeling the garage portion of my workshop. We framed a new wall, insulated it, put in electrical, built a new workbench, and now it's time to start organizing stuff on the wall. I have a lot of things I want to put on this wall. Chainsaws, several weed eaters, blowers, we've got all kinds of hand tools, and I'd like for it all to be neatly organized and accessible just by quickly grabbing and going. I'd also like to have a place to keep all the accessories that go along with these tools. Weed eater string, spare chains, bar oil. I spent a lot of time looking through the home stores and online at different organization ideas, and none of them really seem to fit my need. Right now, I've went to Lowe's and purchased a bunch of random fittings and pipe links. I already had some 1/2-inch black pipe laying around, and I've got those laid out on my bench. I'm just going to start playing with it and see if what's in my head can become a reality. Well, there you have it. What do you think? I'm extremely happy with this. It took me maybe 20 minutes to put this together. It's just a couple pieces of pipe and some fittings, but yet it'll hold chainsaws, hedge trimmers, leaf blowers. It would have held my auger if I'd had longer pipe. I may have wanted to go to 3/4 inch pipe if I was going to go over 60 inches, but I've even got my spray nozzles for my pressure washer on there. It's just so versatile. It's made up of two pipes, one that's about 2.5 inches away from the wall, then the other one that comes out down probably 6 to 8 inches at a 45. And I've got room to hold all my accessories. Now I am thinking about adding some hooks, welding on some hooks here, just to be able to hang chains and things like that off of. And up at the top, I've got just an 18-inch piece with two 6-inch returns going to a flange to hold the weed eaters up. Just very great passive system. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up and tell me why. If you don't like this video, hit the thumbs down, but also tell me why so I can make it better. I'll leave a link in the description to my Facebook and my Instagram. See you next time.